I've been seeing the same thing a lot lately, and it's kind of bugging me. And it's something that homeowners do when they renovate their kitchens and they put new countertops in, but they don't want to put backsplash in at the same time. So they renovate their kitchen, they put new counters in, and they put that 4-inch splash of whatever stone they've put on their counters on the wall. And then like a year or two later, they're like, oh, I can totally DIY this. So I'm just going to get some tile from, a big box store, slap it up on the wall above the 4-inch splash. No, don't do that. So either go with a 4-inch splash and then you can paint the drywall above that like an awesome color, which looks really cool. Or you can actually install vinyl wallpaper, not above this where the stove is. Good Lord, no. But, everywhere else, it's a decent look to install vinyl wallpaper, as like an alternative to that backsplash if you already have the 4-inch splash. Or you can get the solid countertops and then get a backsplash tile right away and have your contractor put that in for you correctly so there's not a 4-inch splash and then the backsplash tile. That is always an afterthought. It never looks right. And it kind of reminds me of if you already have boots on and then you go and put sandals on over them. Nobody wears boots and sandals at the same time. It doesn't make sense. And that's exactly kind of what it is if you have a 4-inch splash and then you have the tile above it. Don't do that. And if your place has that, it's likely because whoever owned it before you retroactively went and got some tile somewhere and slapped it up on the wall. So don't do that. Do it right from the beginning. Do tile. It is not a very large portion of your budget to do tile backsplash, especially if you go with something simple like a Subway type look. I know not everyone likes Subway because it's kind of overplayed right now, but there's a lot of different variations on it, a lot of different sizes. You can do it in glass, you can do it in porcelain, and it can make a really big impact. And it's like $4 a square foot. And if most people don't have that much of a backsplash, so really consider just doing it right from the start. All right, remember, you can either have a 4-inch splash or you can have a backsplash, not both. Have a lovely evening. Goodbye.